Miami Door Services are essential for homeowners seeking reliable and efficient solutions for their entryways. With a focus on door installation Miami, our team of Miami Door experts provides top-notch services tailored to your needs. Whether you require door replacement Miami or door installation Miami, our Miami Door specialists are equipped to handle any project with precision and care. For those in need of door fitting Miami, our Miami Door installers offer comprehensive door fitting services to ensure a perfect fit every time. Our Miami custom doors are designed to match your unique style and preferences, providing a personalized touch to your home. As leading door contractors Miami, we pride ourselves on delivering exceptional Miami door solutions that exceed expectations. Door maintenance Miami is crucial for prolonging the lifespan of your doors, and our Miami Door maintenance services are second to none. Our Miami Door Company offers a range of door maintenance services Miami to keep your doors in optimal condition. From routine inspections to necessary installations, our Miami, Florida door maintenance experts are here to help. When it comes to door upgrades Miami, our Miami Door professionals are the go-to choice for enhancing your home's aesthetic and functionality. Our door upgrade services. Miami, Florida include a variety of options to suit your specific needs. Trust our door installation, Miami upgrade experts to transform your entryways with style and efficiency. For those seeking door service Miami, our Miami, Florida door service providers offer comprehensive solutions to meet all your needs. Our door service experts Miami, Florida are dedicated to providing exceptional customer service and quality workmanship. Whether you need door installation services in Miami, Florida, or door replacement services Miami, our team is ready to assist. Our door installation Miami experts are renowned for their expertise and attention to detail. As a leading door installation company, Miami, Florida, we ensure that every project is completed to the highest standards. Our Miami, Florida door installation experts are committed to delivering superior results for every client. Door replacement services. Miami are essential for maintaining the security and appearance of your home. Our door replacement experts, Miami, Florida, offer a wide range of options to suit your style and budget. Trust our Miami, Florida door replacement services to provide the perfect solution for your home. For those in need of door installation services, our Miami, Florida door installation experts are equipped to handle any issue with efficiency and skill. Our Miami, Florida door installation services are designed to address any problem, big or small, ensuring your doors function flawlessly. Rely on our door installation Miami experts for all your installation needs. Our door contractor services Miami are designed to provide comprehensive solutions for all your door-related needs. As leading door contractors in Miami, Florida, we offer a range of services, including door setup Miami and door fitting services, Miami, Florida. Our Miami, Florida door contractor experts are dedicated to delivering exceptional results for every project. For custom door services, Miami, Florida, our Miami Door Company services offer a variety of options to suit your unique style and preferences. Our Miami, Florida custom door services are designed to provide a personalized touch to your home, ensuring your doors reflect your individual taste.